Election.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Your Excellency.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Another technocrat. I did.
Can we do the other meeting first?
Yeah, do the other meeting first, then after we call them, please.
Private first.
Private,
Okay, sir.
private first. So we'll do. Okay, thank you very much.
We're here this afternoon, your colleagues, Bala Bauchi and Right and Brandon Tambua, my humble self, and Mohammed Ayatudin, who are all your friends who you know very well. Thank you for seeing us at this short notice. Part of our trip going around the country, talking to our key stakeholders like yourself. As you're aware, the four of us have expressed our interest to contest for the position of the president on our PDP platform. In that process, we've met and we've discussed the importance of rescuing this country. We all know the precarious situation we find our country, and there's need for PDP to provide that platform to make things better for Nigerians. And in doing that, we've come to realize, very importantly, that the interests of the country is more paramount than our own individual interests. And as such, we have come together to say that we should work out a consensus arrangement where we don't all go to the field. And we want that to be across all the aspirants on the platform. We don't want to dissipate our energy on just trying to get into power, but how to help make Nigeria better. There are a lot of millions of Nigerians out there who are really going through hard times. And as a party, we want to show that we are really committed to the interest. And we have decided our individual interest is secondary. We want your support in this process. We think this is what will make our party ready for power in 2023. Because at the end of the day, it's not a one-man thing to need everybody to turn this country around. So that's where we are here. Thank you for giving us and listening to us. We need your support in this process, that we all work together. And we are continuing to assure Nigerians that God's guidance, definitely we will come up with a consensus arrangement amongst ourselves. And we hope that we can carry that out to other aspirants within the party so that PDP will be strong, united, and ready to provide leadership for this country. Because we cannot be talking about uniting Nigeria even we within our party or with the aspirants are not united.
I cannot thank them enough for bringing a new lease of life into our politics. This is a new model for leadership selection, where leaders who have some higher aspiration for their people can come together and say, you know what, we all are contesting for an office, but in spite of the fact that we're contesting for the office, what is most important is that the meaning of that office to our people, to Nigerians. So they've come together to say, well, we are all contesting, we're in the race. However, we are working towards a consensus arrangement. So because we know the enormity of the task of being president of Nigeria at this time. Many Nigerians do not understand yet. 30, 40 years ago, we had a big cake we could share. Today, that cake has disappeared. So whoever aspires to be president of this country must be somebody who all of us Nigerians are now prepared to bring ingredients to the table with that person to begin to rebake this cake and bake a bigger cake for the rest, all of us Nigerians. And that is the spirit my brothers have just displayed. And like I said, I told them in the meeting we had earlier, they are preaching to the combated. For us in Edo State, that is what we stand for. Building a bigger, stronger, better Nigeria. Because we cannot continue this way. We are concerned that except PDP comes out and rallies Nigeria around, it will be difficult to pull Nigeria back from the brink. Things are so difficult for our people today that we've never had it this bad. We've had hard times, but we've never had a combination of the levels of poverty. The food inflation in Nigeria today is pushing millions into starvation. That coupled with the security challenges, look at how many people, as we speak, are have been kidnapped in a country like this. So it's not about our individual aspirations, it's about Nigeria. Because if our country does not survive, then our individual aspirations come to nothing. So I want to thank you very, very much for providing leadership. And we trust that God Almighty that has given you the wisdom to put Nigeria at a higher goal, make Nigeria the goal, and not your individual ambitions, that this same God will crown your efforts with the desired success. As I said, on behalf of our people in Edo State, we will work very assiduously towards anything that will unite and strengthen Nigeria.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.